Hey everybody, Jason here from GHL Pro, and today I wanted to tell you about a new offering that we have for you. We've had a lot of people that have reached out, thanks to you, thanks to the thousands of you that watch our videos, saying that you wanted some one-on-one help, and how could we do that? And until now, we didn't really have a good solution for that because there's not enough hours in the day to do one-on-one calls with all the people that reach out and thousands of you that watch. So we wanted to figure out a way to accommodate you and make it make sense. So we've put together a little page here. You can go to ghl.pro/Zoom. That will bring you to this page. This is where you can book a one-on-one Zoom meeting. Now, if you need help via email or something, you're one of our affiliates, of course, you can reach out and we'll get back to you. Or if you comment, we respond to every comment on our YouTube channel. But if you need one-on-one help, just jumping on the phone or a Zoom call with me, we have this solution here. So if you go to ghl.pro/Zoom, you'll be able to book a time, and we try to make them as affordable as possible. So you can get a 30-minute consultation if you just have a few questions you need answered. If you want a full hour, there's an option for that. And then if you just want somebody to set your entire high-level dashboard up for you, I have a solution for that as well. That is obviously a lot more labor intensive, where I'm jumping on probably for a few hours and going to be working behind the scenes to get this thing set up for you. Then we'll jump on a quick call and I'll walk you through the overview of how everything works. But we wanted to give you guys a few different options. So if you just have any questions about high level at all, how to connect something, how to do the affiliate program, how have we grown our affiliate program, how do you get clients, what are some ways to do that, how do you connect certain things to make sure certain things talk to each other, all of those can be handled in usually a 30-minute or a 1 hour consultation. And that's what we have for you. And then again, if you want to just reach out to us via email, you have a quick question, or you want to be in our group and ask some questions for the group, that's fine. And obviously, if we have any group calls, you're all welcome to join those, whether you're affiliate or not. But if you want just one-on-one time, we had to figure out a way to make that happen for you guys that also made sense for us. And I think we're making it as affordable as possible right now. Prices may go up in the future, but right now I just wanted to do as much as I could for the lowest price that we could make sense of it. So there it is. And again, you can just go to ghl.pro/Zoom to book that call. And again, this can set up anything. If you have a client that you need some questions on how to connect their accounts, you can do that as well on our Zoom call. So really, there's nothing off limits as long as it's GHL related or affiliate marketing related on these calls. I want to help you as much as I can. So take advantage of either the 30-minute or the hour. Obviously, if we get to 30 minutes and it looks like, oh, this is going to be more than 30 minutes, then I'll let you know when we first start up so that you can decide if you want to continue that call and pay the additional difference or not. But either way, we have a solution now for you to be able to handle these one-on-one calls for those of you who want to take advantage of that as affordably as I could possibly do. And again, these prices may go up in the future, but right now this is where we are. And if you want that full GHL account set up, you're brand new, or you had an account for a couple weeks and you're like, I just need to get somebody to set this up, I will take that task on myself. I'll do a quick call with you, find out what you want to accomplish. Then I'll work behind the scenes and get everything connected. And then we'll jump back on and I'll show you exactly what I did and how all of it works really quickly. So with that, I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. We appreciate the thousands of you that watch our videos every week that they come out. If you want to sign up, if you're just new to this and you want to just use high level in the first place, you can go to ghlfree.com. That will give you a free 30-day trial to the high level platform. And then you can jump on one of these one-on-one calls and we can do the further setup for you. So with that, I appreciate all of you and I'll talk to you again soon.